I just arrived in Coron. Here we are. What's that? It's about a 5-hour boat ride. We're finally here.
Thank you.
I just arrived here at the Bayside Inn in Coron. Here we are. Had a little bit of an accident. Basically dropped the camera, unfortunately, but I think it survived. So thumbs up there. Good save. It was a close call, but I'm gonna keep the vlog going.
Hanggang, ano?
End of tour map for the KETO-FRIENDLY.
Alright, look at this. We got a gorgeous oceanside view right here. Awesome. Just right outside our doorstep. Look at this whole view. We just arrived at the mountain here, and we're going to be hiking 761 steps.
Mt Tapyas.
We're already tired because we've already done so much already in El Nido, and the hike we did in Masungi, yeah, that's it.
That was a tough one.
That was basically like American Ninja Warrior. Tomorrow we're going to be doing an island tour, so let's get this hike in. Here we go. Breathtaking views await us. Look at all that across. And we are almost to the top. You see where it says Coron up there? Let's keep going. We got this. More views. Wow.
Dating flight sa paraan ng
Stop real quick and rest some more. So we finally landed at 600 steps, and here's the view we got right here. Wow. So we only have 120 steps to go, 121 or so. So as you can see, straight ahead, up there at the top, we're almost there. It's an incredible view from here. You can see the whole island all around us. All the different mini islands too. Like the Philippines got thousands of islands all across. And Palawan in itself actually has like around 400 to 500 islands total, which is insane. Boom. Alright. Welcome to Mt Tapyas, Coron, Palawan, Philippines. Here it is. Alright, we finally reached the top of 761 steps. Goal accomplished. Look at this. Full 360-degree view, all from here. of the whole island of Coron. Doesn't get any better than this. How did you enjoy the hike, babe? Feel good?
Felt good.
Yeah.
Mission accomplished, but this was like a piece of a cake.
She's ready for the hot springs. I'm gonna dip in the hot spring because it's super hot out here, pretty humid. You know, it doesn't seem like it, but sweat pouring down my head. So I'll catch you guys in the hot springs.
But it's in Africa, it's all about closure.
About 45-minute drive from our hotel, and everyone's soaking in. Look really cool, and I'm gonna dip in, so camera's going away. We're gonna relax the rest of this night and get ready for tomorrow's adventure. Alright, good morning. The second day here in Coron. I just woke up and got a breakfast here going with some matcha cacao right here. Of course, to sweeten it up. Vote to sweet. Doesn't get any better than this. No bitterness, no blood sugar spikes. Help keep me in ketosis. So I'm gonna be fasting today. We're gonna be headed for the island tour around 9:30ish. Mushroom boost. Always been taking these every day. Just adding it into my coffee, and you know, they really help my immune system. Yeah, you guys can find this at bochasweet.com or on Amazon. Same thing with the Bocha Sweet.
The other side. Ito tayo. Kasama.
Alright, we have finished our trip in Coron, and now we are headed back to Manila. I got this umbrella right here, so we're, you can see the airport. Pretty cool. They hand you these umbrellas. So headed back to Manila. Gonna be there for 4 more days, and then we'll be back to the USA. So hopping on the plane right now. Here we go. Here in Manila, and we are headed to Healthy Options. So check this out. It's kind of like a Sprouts or Whole Food in Manila, you know, similar type of thing. So it looks like they have all these natural stuff. Alright, so this is what I got right here. Healthy option. Pretty good. It's again at Green Pastures, our favorite restaurant in Manila. One of them. And, yep, just getting some nice, clean, organic food. So, starting out with some sweet potato fries. Got myself a kombucha. And I'm still deciding on what I'm going to get for the main course. I also ordered a salad. Alright, this delicious salad just arrived. Got lettuce and egg in there, and mangoes, tomatoes, some corn, and then off to the side we got cheese, bacon, chicken.